Hello, my name is Jaden Dwi Arya. Today is weather Thursday 29/9/2022. All rest of Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, and Bekasi, Jabodetabek.
Sekarang udah bukan bapak.
Predicted to be cloudy. However, the Meteorology, Climatology and Geographic Agency (BMKG) weather report said that the afternoon and evening will be different. For example, in South Jakarta, it is predicted that there will be thunderstorm, and East Jakarta will rain with light intensity this afternoon. Even so, tonight, the entry sky in the capital city of Jakarta is expected to be cloudy again. Be aware of the potential for rain that accompanied by light and strong winds with a short duration. Some areas of Jakarta in the afternoon, said the BMKG early warning. Not much different. The buffer areas, namely Bekasi, Depok, and Bogor City, West Java, are also predicted to rain with light to the moderate intensity, then cloudy again at night. Terima kasih. Thank you for watching my video.